We unanimously voted to appoint Nav Gill as the county executive. Nav has been with the county for nearly 9 years as the assistant county executive and chief operating officer. He's done an excellent job, and we feel confident that choosing him is in the best interest of the county and the residents of the county. We've worked with him, and we know who he is and what he's capable of. This is the right decision for our organization. Nav has years of municipal and management experience. He knows our departments thoroughly, he knows the staff, and he's already proven that he can get things done and make the tough decisions when called for. He's been instrumental in critical projects, and he's the right choice.
I want to thank the board members for giving me this opportunity. I came to the county in 2007, and coming out of a city municipality, sometimes you do not get an appreciation for the services that the county provides and the impact it has on people. I was very grateful to get that experience. As county exec, I will continue to maintain a steady approach in leading all the functions in the county. And as I mentioned, I cannot say enough what a great organization this is and how much the teamwork we have here. And of all the things, this is my 4th jurisdiction. I am very happy to be part of this team. I am very confident that going into the future that we will work with the board, with our departments, and everybody, our partners, in enhancing the services that we already provide and looking for new and innovative ways to do business.